In this video we will create a picture like this. So how to do that? At first we will import everything what we need. So from turtle, import turtle and screen. Of course I will create a turtle, so it's a big turtle and brackets, and after that we will create a screen and it's a big screen and brackets and screen dot exit on click and brackets. Perfect. So now I will run it. You can see the arrow, click, it means exit on click. It's shut down the screen. Perfect. So now what is this? So at first you can see the colors. So I will create a list of colors here. It's up to you guys which colors will be there. So we will suppose there will be 6 colors. Okay, so purple, for example, red, yellow. I will use some basic colors, nothing special, nothing fancy. Blue and, for example, pink. Okay, so I will do something like this. Perfect. So we have 6 colors. Great. And now we would like to choose a random color for every line. Okay, so the first thing is that I suppose that you are able to see from this picture that there is a cycle. Okay, it goes like this and again like this, like this, like this, like this. So I will create a cycle in a range, and I don't know, we can say 100, for example. Oh, maybe I would start with 50. Okay, so but one cycle means that you go with one line. So it means it will create the first line, second line, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so on. Okay, so every cycle is a line. It's not a whole circle. Okay, so it means at first I would like to choose a color. So it will be turtle dot pen color, and I need to choose a color. So I will put here colors. Okay, it's this, but what will be here? So at first I need a 0. It will be purple. After that 1, it will be red. 2, it will be yellow. 3, it will be green. 4, it will be blue. 5, it will be pink. Okay, I hope you understand. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the problem is I have these numbers here, correct, in X. But the problem is that X is absolutely okay, but only at the beginning, correct? Because at first the X will be 0. That's perfect. Purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be pink, number 5. But what about 6? The problem is that we don't have color 6 because it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where is 6? 6 isn't there, correct? So what does it mean? If I have a 6, number 6, I need to create from the 6, I need to create 0. So it means go again, 0, purple. From 7, I need to create 1. From 8, I need to create 2. I hope that you see the pattern. 3, and so on and so on. 10, 4, and so on and so on. 10, 11, 12. So this will be 5. But from this, again, we don't have 6. Okay, so I need to create again 0. Correct? And this will be okay for us. Okay, but how to do that? We have we already saw it so many times. It's called modulo. Do you remember? So if I put here x modulo 6, so what does it mean? If here will be 6, so 6 divided by 6 is how much? 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, and 6, what is difference between 6 and 6? It's 0. Perfect, so it's 0. So it means the modulo is the rest after the division. So if we have a 7, so it means how many times is 6 in 7? 1, correct? 1 multiplied by 6, it's 6. And what's the difference between 7 and 6? 1. Perfect. That's exactly what we need. Okay, here we have 8. So 8 modulo 6 is how many is 6 in 8? 1 time. Multiplied by 6 is what's the rest? The rest is 2. Okay, and so on and so on. So we are able to convert these numbers to these numbers by this description or this piece of code. I hope, guys, that you understand. If you don't, please check the video about modulo in the previous course, Python for beginners, on this YouTube channel. Okay, so I hope you understand. But what is the point here? The point is, if you have 6 colors, and if you want to choose a random color by, or not, it's not a random color we can say, because it's in order 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that again. So you can see that here are all green, here are all red, all yellow, and so on. So we need to do that like this. So it means, if you see the pattern is, if you have 6 colors, so you can use the x modulo 6. If you have here, for example, 8 colors, so it will be x modulo 8, and you can choose the colors in the specific order. Okay, if you have here 12 colors, so it will be x modulo 12. So it means, guys, if you understand this, it's very important, because you have another skill which you can use in another project in Python. It can be absolutely different code, okay, but you can use it there, and that's the point. That's why we practice all this. Okay, so it will be make or take the color in this order, and after that again. Okay, so now I will put here turtle, and we need to go forward. Okay, because if you go forward, that's perfect, but you can see that if you need to go forward, you need to go forward slightly more than in the previous line. Okay, because if you go in the same distance, for example, I don't know, 20, so it means it will do the circle on the same spot. Okay, so it means you need to put here x. Okay, so it means it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's exactly what we need, because it's still bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, that's exactly what we need. And now we need to put here angle. Again, it's what will be the angle? So we know, if you check this, so how many angles we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, correct? So, and in total it's 360. So 360 divided by 6, because every angle is absolutely the same, so it means it's 60, correct? It's 360 divided by 6 angles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, perfect. And it will turn around in one cycle, or not in one cycle, in 6 cycles it will turn around, and after that again. And you can see that after the 6 cycles it will turn around, and it means it will, and after that it will start to choose the colors from the beginning, and that's perfect. It's exactly what we need. So now I guess we have everything what we need. I will run it. Okay, we have some forward. We have some mistake, some typo here. It's forward, like go forward. Okay. It looks great, right? Perfect. So maybe I can put here 100. Maybe we can speed it little up. But perfect. I think it's great. Perfect. Okay, so I hope, guys, I hope that you understand why we did this. So there is a very small chance that your task, like programmers, will be do something like this. Okay, this picture, of course, but it isn't the point. The point is to train your skills. Okay, to have broader skills, bigger skills. So it means now we have, for example, this skill. Okay, we know that if we need to turn the turtle or the arrow in one cycle, so it means it's 360 degrees, and we have to divide it by number of angles because the angles are the same, and so on. Okay, we practices the work with a list. Okay, and that's the point why we do that. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it.